Hey, awesome morning changers. Today I would like to tell you about the next letter, that is letter E. Here, can you see the different ways I have written E, this is squeezed E, this is little size is bigger. Here is this E, L, I which is missing dot. We cannot make out what this letter is. So are you able to see such different varieties of E? See, there are billions of people on the earth, and there may be different varieties of E. But when we have started learning our kindergarten, we have learned a same type of E everywhere, almost everywhere. But are you able to have that same letter formation till now, or it has been distorted? It has been distorted because we have started taking thoughts, information from social environment, from our parents, from our friends, from the family members, all together. Whatever we see, we experience, we act, our formation of the letter changes for good or best or worst. We don't know till we see the writing and till we see the actual thought process behind it and how it is helping you to grow, or is it not helping you to grow. Anything can be seen in the handwriting. So it is best to send me your handwriting sample so that we'll brainstorm the ways we can improve. You are in a regular process of learning, regular process of evolving as a human being. So why not to do a simple step to enhance your way of life with the correct formation of letters which you feel is correct in this. Comment and show me your handwriting sample, or send a snap, click a clear picture and send it to us. Here we can see all this letters, and we can see how it changes over period of time. So here I'm Jyotsna Seth, and meet you in the next video. Bye.